Most investors looking at Bryan College Station right now are scared off by this number, 5 months of supply. That's the point where a market is supposed to see prices drop. And honestly, that's exactly what we're seeing in other parts of Texas. But our median price actually increased to $320,960, and here's why. Let's fire through the big picture BCS stats so you can see the shift from last month. Starting off with median price, again, $320,960. That is an $11,815 jump, 3.8% in just 1 month. Year over year, we're up 3.5%, proving that demand is still outpacing supply in our local market. Let's look at active listings. This is the big supply story. We have 1,395 homes on the market. That is up 5.6% month over month and a massive 15% jump compared to last March. Increasing inventory has been a trend since 2022 with no end in sight. Now let's talk about days on market, or DOM. This is the time from when a house is listed to when it goes under contract. Currently we're at 80 days, which is actually 10 days faster than last March. Likely a result of the drop in interest rates that we saw at the end of February / beginning of March this year. Now let's talk about months of inventory. We're officially at 5 months of inventory, up from 4.7 back in February, moving us firmly out of that seller's market and into a buyer's market where buyers now have leverage and generally have the upper hand. We covered a lot, but we didn't jump into specific neighborhoods. For that information, go ahead and just shoot me an email. Use the word market and send it to info@schwartzrealtygroup.com. You might be asking yourself, why is it or how is it that inventory is spiking while prices are also on the rise? That's counterintuitive. Well, here's what the data reveals, and it's not what the headlines are telling you. In fact, sellers do not have to sell. Our local economy is stabilized. It's anchored by Texas A&M, so we don't see the same fire sales that we see happening in other parts of Texas. What is shifting is who is buying and what they're buying. We're seeing a massive move towards townhomes. While single-family home sales are basically flat, townhome sales skyrocketed, 84.2% year over year. With high interest rates, first-time home buyers and Aggie parents alike are ditching the high monthly cost of a house in favor of the cheaper alternative, a townhouse. For investors, this is your signal. The most liquid asset in Bryan College Station is a townhome, and it might be a great opportunity to sell your current townhome and upgrade to a single-family house where the market is softer.
Pull the old switcheroo.
Let me know if you think this is a good move in 2026 down in the comments below. Now for our news segment, specifically for my investor viewers who have investments or are looking to invest in Bryan in the areas north and northwest of campus. Texas A&M just approved an expanded $130 million investment for the new Meat Science and Technology Center. Originally, this was slated for the Rellis campus. It is now a massive new addition to the West Campus. This is a total game changer for the developing neighborhoods along Villa Maria like Edgewater and Foxwood, which provide easy access to our West Campus. Construction on this new building is expected to wrap up in 2028, and where the university puts $130 million, the contractors, researchers, and grad students follow. And of course, they all need a place to live. That's what makes BCS different. Institutional money doesn't just build buildings, it builds rental demand. Based on March's data, the market favors buyers. Prices are climbing, and the university is doubling down on its West Campus infrastructure. If you want more market updates, I drop a new video every single month, so be sure to subscribe. And of course, if you want to learn more about investing in Bryan College Station, check out this video here.